Let's start in a seated pose with your knees open, spine long, and let's flow. Inhale, exhale, knees to the right. Inhale to center, to the left. Inhale to center, to the right. In center, to the left. Inhale, exhale. Next time, can you come to the right? Make sure you create 90 degrees with the front leg. Hips and knees aligned, back leg extended. Turn to the front, spine long, and lean forward, keeping the spine long. Pressing the front knee into the mat, the right knee into the mat. Create that action. Inhale, open mouth, exhale, and slowly come a little up into your fingertips maybe. Knee up and down, again up and down. And just see you can come forward, maybe a little deeper into your forearms. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. The next inhale, come up, come to center, arms are back. Inhale and exhale, come back to center, and maybe this time stay up into your hands, and then foot up, back foot up and down, up and down, up and down. Inhale, come back to center. This time the back knee is up and down, up and down. Inhale and exhale. Just come how we started to do the other side. You turn to the left, front knee is bent, creating a 90 degree, hips and knees aligned. Turn to the front, inhale, and as you exhale, lean forward, arms into the mat. Inhale, press the knee into the mat, creating that action. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly come a little up into your up, maybe into fingertips. Knee up and down, up and down, up and down. Inhale and exhale. Just come forward. Maybe you can come a little farther, keeping that spine long. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale up into your hands, arms are back, spine long. Come to center, and then come again. Just move your torso to the front, hips are forward, back, leg, foot is up and down, up and down. You should feel it here in your hips, up and down. Come back to center, arms back, knees up and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And let's find now child pose. Toes together, open your knees wide. Hips to your heels, then your arms forward, bring your forehead to the mat. And then in the next inhale, press your hands into the mat, find your downward facing dog, send your hips up and back. And then bend the knee, bend the leg. Let's start to meditate. Find a nice, comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes. Soften your gaze. Spine long. Crown of your head to the sky. Just take a moment just to feel your body. Nothing to change. And let's start breathing together. As you inhale, feel the expansion of your body. And as you exhale, exhale through the mouth. Feel how your body relaxes. Today, I invite you to repeat silently after me. Let's collect beautiful moments. Collect beautiful moments. Come back to your breathing. Stay quiet with yourself. fingers, your neck, shoulders. Open your eyes. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center.